Hi friends, I'm here with our sight word of the week. The word is said. I said, how are you? Or Mrs. DeAngelis said it's going to be a great day. So when you look at the word said, here's how you spell it. S-A-I-D. It doesn't really make sense. It sounds that it would be sa-e-e-d, but it's not. These two vowels are a little bit tricky. It's a-I. When we use it in a sentence, we usually see these talking marks on the outside of where someone is talking. Those are called quotation marks. So if you're reading a book and it said, the cat said meow, around where they're talking, you see the quotation marks. So let's spell the word said together. S-A-I-D. Said. I go like this and make little talking marks. Can you do it with me? Go like this and say the word said. I said. All right, now you're going to click on the video where you're going to watch them spell the word and then find the missing letters when they move a letter. All right, have a great day. Said Mrs. DeAngelis. Bye, friends.